President Donald Trump said on Monday, March 3, that 25% of taxes on import from Mexico and Canada would start on Tuesday, sparking renewed fear of a North American trade war that already showed signs of pushing up inflation and hindering growth. Tomorrow, tariff 25% on Canada and 25% on Mexico, and that will start, Mr. Trump told reporters in the Roosevelt Room. They're going to have a tariff. Mr. Trump has said that the tariff are to force the two U.S. neighbors to step up against the fight against the fentanyl trafficking and stop the illegal immigration. But Mr. Trump has already indicated that he wants to even the trade imbalances with both the countries as well as and push more factories to relocate in the United States. His comment quickly rattled the United States stock market with the S&P 500 index down 2% in Monday, March 3 afternoon trading. It's a sign of the political and economic risk that Mr. Trump feels compelled to take given the possibility of higher inflation and possible demise of a decade-long trade partnership with Mexico and Canada. Yet the Trump administration remains confident that the tariffs are best choice to boost U.S. manufacturing and attract foreign investment. Before Mr. Trump's statement on tariffs in response to a question, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said that the computer chip maker TSMC had expanded its investment in the United States because of the possibility of separate 25% tariffs. Mr. Trump provided a one-month delay in February as both Mexico and Canada promised the concessions. But Mr. Trump said Monday, March 3, that there was no room left for the Mexico or for Canada to avoid the steep new tariffs, which were also set to tax Canadian energy products such as oil and electricity at a lower 10% rate. If the Trump is imposing tariffs, we are ready, said the Canadian Foreign Minister Melanie Joly. We are ready with the $155 billion worth of tariffs, and we are ready with the first tranche of tariff, which is the $30 billion. Ms. Joly said Canada has a very strong border plan and explained that to the Trump that officials the last week that she said the diplomatic efforts are continuing. She spoke after the Mr. Trump had made his comment.